Kikubo Kiba Happening ka jingye kun ka badang ya chakmat happening ka Northeastern Hill University Nehu bat ka Captain Williamson Sangma State University lane ka CWSSU ka badang shutau Thymmai ki KHASI ki college ki badang shutau Thymmai Meghalaya ke nyesok bait sya ka CWSSU ka bas dang nadu ka jing pulia jong usnam ahajar apusan ahajar apun rew Menteri Ketnat Puli Putih Urakam A Sangma ulapan pau bagi college ki baladon lupa ki besok bat ka Nehu ki day ban wengno ya ka jing day shwa ban penyesok sya ka CWSSU kani ka sinjam ka long hadien ka jing penbena jong ka CWSSU ka bakentat ya ka jing day artli bat ka jing penbor jong ka Nehu ban bot renti ya ki rukom trekam ka kong Eureka FP Lingdo President ka Meghalaya College Principals Council kala ai ka jing ro ya ka jing kieu jong ka CWSSU Henry kala banjur ba ka nam bala penskem jong ka Nehu kadang sa hakmat tat hadu ba ka ni ka school ba Thymmai kan da biang lut ya ki tiar kitar baro.
But because the Nehu was saying that the college are not allowed for dual affiliation. But however, since it is there is a precedence with a RIS last year 2023-24 with a RIS, it is also the same issue for the BTech courses. So they have de-affiliate from the Nehu and then they affiliate the first semester with the USTM and the rest semester was allowed to continue with Nehu till the completion of this. So
if the state university has all the departments, okay, well equipped with all the departments, with all the courses, everything is in place. If everything is in place, we have no issue. Now, Nehu is well established. We cannot deny the fact that Nehu is a well-established university, and all along we are also affiliated to Nehu.
Ka jela Meghalaya kala long na kabadu